Traveling is living your life to the fullest. Exploring the mountains, the hills, the water bodies and other gift of nature is simply a bliss. Amboli Ghat is a hill station located in Sindhudurg district of South Maharashtra. It is known for a lot of reasons, one of them being the waterfalls. It is situated in the Sahyadri Hills of Western Ghats. Also 31 kilometers from a small and a beautiful town of Sawantwadi. Amboli Ghat is a mountain pass in the Sahyadri. The hill station of Amboli lies on this ghat. This ghat receives heavy rainfall and is surrounded by thick forest, waterfalls and a beautiful natural landscape. When there is will, there is a way. Reaching Amboli is not a very tedious task. There are a lot of travel options to reach this pristine beauty. You can drive or trek. Trekking is for adventurous enthusiasts, and if you are a nature lover, you should simply drive to the location. This ghat is one of the tourist attractions in Maharashtra. Many tourists visit Amboli Ghat every year to see the waterfalls. Amboli is one of the amazing destinations in Maharashtra. It is known as the Cherrapunji of Maharashtra. Also, many places near Amboli attracts tourists. Amboli Ghat is one of the most beautiful ghats in India. Amboli Hill Station is at the top of the ghat. The way which leads to Amboli is full of luscious green forest. This incredible high waterfalls is surrounded by numerous other waterfalls as well. And the sight of the falling water and surrounding greenery add to the beauty and charm of already mesmerizing place. the beauty of the falls cannot be enjoyed throughout the year, the excitement and curiosity to the witness this magical waterfalls become double. The couples, groups of friends as well as families have a gala time at the Amboli waterfalls. The best time to visit this waterfalls is from June to late September.